Ready to unlock AI magic on your Android phone, even though Runway AI doesn't have a native app. First, fire up your Chrome browser on your Android device. This trick works best with Chrome, so make sure you're using it. Now, in the address bar, type in runwayml.com. Make sure you get the spelling right. That's runwayml.com. Wait for the Runway AI website to fully load. It might take a moment depending on your internet speed. Next, tap on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. This opens up the Chrome menu. Scroll down in the menu until you find the option Add to Home Screen and tap on it. A little window will pop up. You can rename the shortcut to whatever you like, such as simply Runway AI. Then, tap Add. Chrome will then ask you if you want to add automatically or add. Simply select Add, and just like that, Runway AI is now an icon on your home screen. Tap it, and it'll open Runway AI in a browser window that feels just like an app.